You see the headlines every day. Watch the madness on display. You keep on scrolling through. Nothing ever feels true. He's tired of the same old game. Everyone's pointing fingers, placing blame. The world keeps spinning faster now, while he's just wondering how. Say the rules don't make sense anymore. Everything's broken to the core. But what if we could break it down, turn it all around? Move your body, shake it off.